you're gonna want this. If you have a GoPro and you ever use it around water, this is perfect. This handle is I don't know, let's say 8 inches or so long, and it floats. It's super lightweight. So if you drop it, works perfect for holding your GoPro, but if you drop it in water, it will float. It's got the adjustable GoPro attachment there, so you could put different things or just your GoPro. Has the adjustable draw cord on the end of it, and a cool looking texture design. It is not textured though, it's just smooth. But highly, highly recommend it. It makes filming so much easier because you can just, I have it angled up just a little bit like that, you can see, because naturally you don't hold it straight up. You hold it at like a little angle and it works great. But drop it in the lake, drop it in the pool, don't lose your GoPro. It's perfect.